Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to calculate percentage in Excel. It's super easy and quick.
The first column A, enter the numbers you want to get percentages for, like 34, 65, 76, 89, 96, 10 and 35. In the column B, enter the total numbers like 78, 65, 32, 91, 100, 20 and 18. In third cell, give the title of percentage. And now
First, select the cell where you want the result to appear. Type equal, then go to the first number, press divide and click the second number. Press enter and you will get a decimal value. To turn it into a percentage, go to the home tab and click the percentage icon. That's it. Now drag the formula down to apply it to the rest. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.